What's up everyone, subscribe to my channel because today we are diving deep into one of the most iconic muscle cars of the late 1960s, the 1968 Plymouth Barracuda. If you think you know classic American cars, buckle up, because this isn't just another car. This is a piece of automotive history that defined a generation and still turns heads today. From its aggressive stance to its groundbreaking fastback design, the 1968 Barracuda was Plymouth's answer to the emerging pony car craze, competing head-to-head with the likes of the Ford Mustang and Chevrolet Camaro. But what makes this car truly special goes beyond its looks and engine options. Let's take a deep dive into everything that makes the 1968 Barracuda a collector's dream and a legendary machine. First, let's talk about the design. The 1968 Plymouth Barracuda was introduced as a fastback variant of the original 1964-1966 Barracuda, which itself had debuted as one of the first pony cars on the market. What set the 68 model apart was its longer wheelbase and a more aggressive profile that gave it a much sportier, more modern look. The fastback roofline stretched smoothly to the rear deck, creating an aerodynamic silhouette that not only looked fast standing still, but also improved high-speed stability. The car featured a large curved rear window, which Plymouth called a greenhouse, giving the cabin a more open feel and allowing more light inside. It was a subtle but genius touch that made the interior feel larger and more luxurious than many other muscle cars of the era. Moving to the front, the Barracuda featured a wide, rectangular grille flanked by dual headlights, giving it a purposeful, assertive face. The hood often came with optional air scoops, adding to the performance-oriented aesthetic that muscle car enthusiasts would instantly recognize. Around the sides, sculpted body lines and subtle fender flares added both style and function, hinting at the car's performance potential. The rear was clean and elegant, with slim taillights that stretched across the width of the car, emphasizing its horizontal stance. Plymouth offered a variety of exterior colors that popped in the showroom and on the streets, from classic HEMI orange to deep plum crazy purple, giving buyers the opportunity to personalize their muscle machine. Now, let's get under the hood, because the 1968 Barracuda was not just a pretty face. Plymouth offered a wide range of engines, giving buyers everything from a practical daily driver 6-cylinder to a monstrous 426 AMI V8. The base model came with a 225 cubic inch slantless engine, delivering reliable performance for every 8 options. Step up to looking at 2 703, 318, 3430, 40, 383, and the legendary 46 AMI, each offering increasing levels of power and excitement. The 4026 AMI, often referred to as the olefin engine, produced a jaw-dropping 425 horsepower, capable of sending the lightweight Barracuda from 0 to 60 in just under 6 seconds, an eternity back in the 1960s, but blistering for a car of that era. The sound of a HEMI Barracuda starting up is pure music to any muscle car enthusiast's ears, a deep, throaty roar that commands attention whether you're on the drag strip or cruising through town. Performance wasn't just about raw power. Plymouth also made sure the Barracuda handled well. The suspension was upgraded over the previous generation, featuring independent front suspension and a live rear axle with leaf springs. Optional performance packages included heavy-duty shocks, sway bars, and limited slip differentials, allowing the car to handle corners with surprising agility for a muscle car of its size. The steering was responsive and braking was adequate for the era, especially with the optional front disc brakes. In short, the 1968 Barracuda wasn't just about straight line speed, it was a well-rounded machine that balanced power, style, and handling in a way few competitors could match. Inside, the Barracuda was comfortable and driver-focused. The fastback design allowed for a roomy cabin, and Plymouth offered bucket seats, a center console, and a sporty steering wheel that made the driving experience engaging and fun. Instrumentation was clear and functional, with large gauges for speed, fuel, and temperature, ensuring drivers had all the information they needed at a glance. Optional features included air conditioning, upgraded sound systems, and even power windows, luxury touches that made the Barracuda more than just a brute force muscle car. For collectors and enthusiasts today, these interior features, combined with the car's clean lines and aggressive stance, make the 1968 Barracuda one of the most desirable classic cars on the market. The Barracuda's cultural impact cannot be overstated. As part of the first generation of pony cars, it helped define a new era of automotive design that focused on performance, style, and accessibility. It was a car that appealed to young buyers who wanted speed and style without breaking the bank. Today, the 1968 Plymouth Barracuda is a highly sought-after collectible, with well-preserved examples fetching high prices at auctions and private sales. The combination of rare engine options, original paint colors, and intact interiors can make a single car worth hundreds of thousands of dollars, and the HEMI powered models are particularly prized. Owning a Barracuda is more than just owning a car, it's owning a piece of American automotive history. Restoration and maintenance of a 1968 Barracuda require attention to detail and a passion for classic cars. Enthusiasts often seek out original parts to maintain authenticity, from engine components to trim pieces and interior upholstery. Modern upgrades, such as improved brakes and suspension, can be added for safety and drivability without sacrificing the car's classic appeal. Car shows around the country frequently showcase these vehicles, and they remain a favorite at classic car events because of their timeless design, powerful engines, and undeniable street presence. In conclusion, the 1968 Plymouth Barracuda is much more than a muscle car. It is a symbol of an era when American automakers pushed the boundaries of performance and design. Its fastback styling, wide range of engine options, and balanced handling made it a standout in the pony car market and a legend in the eyes of collectors today. From the roar of the HEMI V8 to the elegance of its fastback roofline, every aspect of this car screams passion, performance, and prestige. Whether you're a die-hard muscle car enthusiast, a collector, or just someone who appreciates automotive artistry, the 1968 Plymouth Barracuda offers a glimpse into a golden age of American cars that will never be forgotten. Owning one is owning a story, a lifestyle, and a masterpiece of engineering and design that continues to captivate hearts and minds decades after it first hit the streets. This car isn't just metal and rubber, it's a statement, an icon, and an investment. So if you've ever dreamed of owning a true piece of American muscle car history, the 1968 Plymouth Barracuda should be at the top of your list. From its sleek fastback design to its thunderous V8 engines and timeless interior, this car represents the perfect marriage of style, performance, and legacy. So, what are you waiting for? Go out, check your local listings, visit auctions, and get ready to experience the thrill of one of the most iconic muscle cars ever built. The 1968 Plymouth Barracuda isn't just a car, it's an experience, a legend, and a masterpiece that will forever hold a special place in automotive history.